Oh yeah. On the trail, back in the woods. Yeah. It's very cold.
The rubber on these is fairly grippy so far. The last few years, dude, no matter how expensive the boots have been, I've been very disappointed with the rubber. Always hard and slippery.
Paul's new boots, made in America Keens. Yeah.
Might just be the Braddock model, not sure.
All right, guys, we're back at the homeless shelter in the woods. Homeless camp, Bushcraft camp. Looks like somebody's actually cleaned up big time. So obviously they're still partying back here with their brisk iced teas and beers. We got some Steel Reserve and brisk iced tea. That's classy, fellas. You know? Oh, we got the twisted tea. That's a party right there. You know, the shelter, I mean, it's workable. If you put some more debris back here, check that out, Paul. So, I mean, it's actual, like...
That's a full-on...
Yeah, I mean, if you get this about 2 feet thick of debris, you could total all the way around, covering every piece of light going in there.
You could survive in that for
easily.
a great deal amount of time.
Easily.
Rain
You could
will be
live
the
in this
biggest
camp.
culprit, but
Yeah.
frankly, dude, if you're resourceful too, you can always find tarp-ish stuff.
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
woods.
Just cut off.
I see the other cool thing I usually check out is the industrial history of all these areas. Like, dude, you
Yeah.
find machinery and equipment in the middle of the woods. You're like,
Yeah, out on the North Fork, there's some farm equipment in the woods on the trail.
yeah. I carry it out to the best of my humanly ability. So, for example, I have like a 1968, 67, and 68 Volkswagen Beetle hood.
Nice.
Yeah, yeah.
That'd make a sled, huh?
It's this one might be a little too far gone, but conceptually it certainly would.
That's
Yeah.
a bushcraft skill right here. You find a shower curtain and you tie your supports with it.
Yeah, right.
It's got to be what that is. Cheap shower curtain.
Sure looks like it.
Somebody told me in the comments of the video a good tip. It was buy a bed cover, the zip-on bed covers,
Yep.
and you can turn those into a shelter, and they're waterproof. And they have a zipper already built in.
It's a good call, dude.
I might have to pick one of those up and try it.
What's interesting about this is this actually tells us its age, because these get brittle.
It's like last year.
So
at
yeah,
least.
this is recent.
At least a year. I mean, it
When the sun hits them for one season out, they start.
Might be the summertime.
Yeah.
This summer, yeah.
Pretty strong still.
Yeah. There was a barrel right here. You know, there's no signs, but this could be just somebody's property and they just come back here and party down.
Yeah, right.
I would have a spot like this if I owned it, you know. Just a cleaner spot and nicer.
Go through the housing stuff. Or we want to make one, because it's 30 acres on top of the big hills around Albany are basically all preserves. On the ridge, basically.
Yeah.
They put in even things as stupid as zip lines.
That's when you know you're an outside adventurer, when you're a pro zipliner. I have my own harness because I'm a pro zipliner. I have my own harness, dude. So I have ziplining shoes, man. Harness.
Don't get me wrong. I think it's awesome, but
Dude,
I don't see it as a
no.
way you make money as government and make people enjoy.
But
that
see,
style.
like, you can this is pro.
Yeah.
This just straight on. That's not a pro, man.
That's Yahoo.
So you gotta use every muscle in your body until you.
Believe me, I
have zipline. I've had fun, but it's not something I would go do. You know.
It's just a classic catch of every time you eat. Again, you're back in the car.
Go to the winery, then zip line.
You know, that's better. Let's put it this way: the zip lines should be going. Probably weighed a little smaller than that. Weighed about 75 pounds, but enough on that.
A couple of people. So I just wanted to show you guys this. This is a pretty funny spot. So if you guys see this body of water right beside the trail, this is like a vernal pool or a seasonal pond, basically a seasonal pool, and there's a little circle of stones in the middle that somebody keeps putting back there because when it's dry, it suspiciously looks like a camp spot. But it's the worst spot. It's wet. It's got mosquitoes when it's dry. It's always going to be wet, even when it's dried out. And these poor souls have no clue, and they just camp right here. Hilarious. Check it out. People don't think the trail goes up. Yeah. Look at that.
When I went by the Korean dudes, I'm like, my hatchet. He's like, your hat?
There's Paul over there. Give you guys a quick view. Oh. It's alright. Check out what Paul's doing over here. He's got his hands down his pants.
Quite a view.
Good. It's better than the plumber's crack.
Boy. So the other thing I bought for Christmas is Carhartt Action Ice. It's
Oh, nice.
exactly like this one. It's the same price. Only they don't like beat it up as much before they sell it to you. Which to me means, so wait, it's tougher? So yeah, the Katakuski belt, I got 2 of them 10 years ago from a buddy gave them to me.
Yeah.
I've worn them every single day, dude, for 10 years. In fact, probably 13 years. Every single day. That's how tough they've been.
Whoa.
They each just live in the pair of pants I'm wearing that week.
Another battery about to die.
Wow.
It's the cold, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
When we get that hot tent running, all of my batteries will pop back and I'll be able to charge stuff up.
Yeah.
It's part of my secret. Keeping my cameras going in the winter time is having that.
Lifetime warranty. So I've sent Ryan back. We have like 6 of them at our business for the home inspections. So I've sent them back many times. They replace them for free every single time. And I always say unequivocally that if they feel it's my fault, I'll pay for it. And they never do. We've dropped them off ladders, dude. I mean, oh, that one's pretty cool. What's that one?
This is the new one. Yeah.
So they sent you that? Oh, that's the same thing. You just turned it around.
Yeah, it's got a flashlight head and
Ah, that's pretty cool.
work light. Like I said, I like this for home, you know, because it's got that.
It gives you a nice amount of light for a little bit amount of time. Probably doesn't last too long with that many lights.
I wouldn't carry it in the woods so much, but at home it's definitely a good little emergency deal.
Yeah.
Never have too many lights at home.
I agree.
There he is. You guys get outside and go do something. And if you guys value our channel and you'd like to help out us, is just to go to Patreon and give $1. Wow, there's Chief. Big boy. Possibly. Yeah.